So we've got the luxury of a cameraman today, because the last few videos I've done, I've been trying to film and do stuff which doesn't work. So today, this is the project at hand. We're going to try and cut this at about this point, straight through, and then we can hopefully move the two halves. At the minute we can't move it with the forklift because it's too heavy, and it's right in the way of what's happening over this side of the yard. So we're just clearing out the inside, take the canopy off, and then we'll get inside and give it a cut.
It's too late asking me now, isn't it?
Just lift it off. Big. Down here.
Lift it back up again. Just fuck off about the cooker, okay?
That's sore point now.
So I got 3 experienced people working for me today.
No, I didn't. I said it better stop raining because I've got free wages to pay. Oh, I got it. I don't know if I can carry it on my
Hang on, let me get that.
What we're going to try and do is cut through here, in between these two ribs, up here between this window. So from eye, that looks like we're probably going to be coming down just this side of this rib here, and then through and up the other side the same. Quickest way to ruin a chainsaw, that is for sure. So that's one thing that's a given. Probably that's only when we're going to cut through the keel is when we're actually going to get it to split properly, but we're going to see. There's no real way of doing it to in a way that's going to be easy. We're going to have the forklift on standby just to take the weight if one side starts to droop or not, but either way we're expecting a split and it to fall at some description. We've got the sides banged up, so it might just cut in and be very undramatic, which would be nice, but that ain't always the way things go with me. Half the keel's wood, the bottom part of it's metal, and then that's held on with these bolts. There's 5 bolts here, so the only way to get that off is to cut these bolts off, knock them through, and then hopefully the bottom part of the keel should drop off, and then the boat will split. So that's it, they're fairly much finished, ready for sale. A little bit of fitting out to do, but you can kind of get the gist of it. So we're going to have little sleeping pods, one in each side. So that's how you chop up and move a boat. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll catch you on the next video.